My dear children, welcome back to our next session of e-learning class. In today's class, we will be learning from Geography Unit 4, Indian Soils. In this chapter, the topics we are going to learn are types of soils, causes, effect, and conservation of a soil. Let us learn our first topic. Before going to the first topic, let us learn formation of soil. Soil is formed by the weathering of rocks under different types of climate. Soil also includes decayed materials of plants, animals, and organic matters. Dear children, there are 6 different types of soils are there in India. As you could see in the picture, the alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. These all are the 6 different types of soils in India. Let us learn one by one. The first one is, you are right, alluvial soil. It is formed from sediment deposited by the rivers as in Indo-Gangetic plains and by the sea waves in coastal plains. Alluvial soil is very extensively found and very important in India. The alluvial soil covers an area of about 15 lakh square kilometer. The alluvial soils can be found in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana, Assam, Odisha, Narmada and Tapti river valleys, and coastal plains. The important crops which has been grown in these areas are wheat, you could see in the picture, paddy, sugarcane, cotton, and jute. Hey children, let us learn our next one, that is black soil, or it has been called as Reger soil. It is also called as Reger soil. It is best suited for cotton cultivation. It contains more clay particles. It is fertile and capable of retaining water. This soil has more lime and magnesium carbonates. It is highly suitable for dry farming. And dear children, the distribution, it occupies an area of 5.46 lakh square kilometers in the places of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, Karnataka, North side, and Tamil Nadu. And the important crops grown in the areas are cotton, jowar, sugarcane, maize, pulses, wheat, and chilies. And the next one is, you can see in the picture, yes, red soil. The red soil, it is formed by the weathering of granite and crystalline rocks. The color of the soil is generally red or reddish brown. They are sandier and less clear, so they don't retain moisture. They cover a vast area, about 5.2 lakh square kilometers. The soil are spread extensively in Tamil Nadu. They are also found in southern Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, and West Bengal. The important crops grown in the areas are ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potato. And the next one is that laterite soil. The laterite soil is formed region where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeters and temperature is very high. The soil are covered in an area of 2.48 lakh square kilometer. They are mainly found in uplands of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Chota Nagpur plates, Meghalaya plateau, the Rajmahal Hills, Vindhya and Satapur. The important crops grown in the areas are, they are leached soil, not fertile and are for limited use of agriculture. The crops like cashew nut, tea, coffee can be grown in the areas. You could see in the pictures. Yes, right, children. And the next type is desert soil. Yes, the desert soil has a high temperature and low rainfall are the reason for the formation of desert soil. It is red and brown in color. The distribution of desert soil is about 1.4 lakh square kilometer of this kind of soil. Parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana have this type of soil. And the last one is mountain soils. The mountain soils are mainly found on the slope of mountains and hill covered forest. There it is mountain soils. They are rich in humus and fertile, hence it is suitable for tea, coffee and fruit cultivations. And the distribution of the mountain soil can be seen across Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Manipur. Along the Western Ghats, the soil covers an area of 2.85 lakh square kilometers. And my dear children, the above said are the different types of soils which we can see in India. Now, India is a land of very good agriculture. As India is a land of agriculture, we have to preserve our land, particularly the soil. Why we have to preserve soil? The reason is there is a soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion? The soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents. It is called as soil erosion. Hence, our soil has to be preserved or conserved. Dear children, now let us see our second topic, that is causes for the soil erosion. The first cause is deforestation. That is the first cause for soil erosion. Second one is overgrazing. And third one is shifting cultivation. And the fourth one is faulty method of cultivation. And the fifth one is use of topsoil for making bricks. These are the causes for soil erosion. With this soil erosion, what is the effect on soil? The first effect is loss of soil fertility. The fertility of the soil has been lost, so the harvest will be less or yield will be less. It leads to silting and it causes floods. It changes the direction of a river and it causes a flood. And groundwater level is lowered. And the next one is drought increases. When the water is less, then drought increases and a great setback in economy. These are all the effects of soil erosion. Next, let us see that we have to conserve our soil. There is a soil erosion and there are plenty of effect on soil. So we have to conserve our soil. Now what is soil conservation? Protection of soil from erosion and prevention of fertility of the soil is called as soil conservation. And what are the methods of soil conservation? The first method is afforestation. Deforestation, you have seen, that is cutting of trees. Afforestation, it is planting of trees. And controlled overgrazing and counter farming and construction of check dams, counter bunding, gully control and bench terracing, all the conservation method for soil conservations. And dear children, I hope that this small unit or a small chapter you have been understood. Today we have learned the topics are, the first one is, you are right, types of soil. There are 6 types of soil. And second one is soil erosion, causes for soil erosion, the effect of soil erosion, and method of conservation of soil. And my dear children, with it we have come to the end of our lesson. I hope you have been understood. Let us meet in our next video with the next chapter. Until then, thank you.